Giraffe flags suspicious activity when its offer network detects behavior that doesn't match normal user patterns, like VPN usage, multiple accounts on one device, or repeated install and uninstall cycles during offers. By the end, you'll know exactly why this warning appears, how to remove it from your account status, and what actions will prevent it from coming back. First thing to understand is that this message usually isn't random. It comes from the ad and offer systems Giraffe depends on, not just the app itself. Those systems track where installs come from and how tasks are completed. If anything looks inconsistent, the account gets temporarily flagged to stop rewards from processing. Next step is checking your setup for anything that could trigger that flag. VPNs are one of the most common causes because they hide your real location and make traffic look unnatural. The same goes for private DNS tools, ad blockers, or device cloning apps. Turn all of those off before trying any new offers. Then look at your account behavior. If you've been switching devices, reinstalling the app repeatedly, or trying multiple accounts on the same phone, that can also trigger a restriction. These systems are designed to detect patterns, not just single actions, so repeated inconsistencies increase the chance of being flagged. If you're already seeing the warning, the first practical step is to stop all offers immediately. Continuing to complete tasks while flagged can extend the restriction period or cause future offers to be rejected. After that, restart your phone and reopen Giraffe with a clean connection, meaning no VPN and stable mobile data or Wi-Fi DI. Another important step is giving the system time to reevaluate your account. These flags are often reviewed automatically based on new activity. If your next sessions look normal, the restriction can sometimes clear without support intervention. If the warning doesn't go away, your only option is contacting support through the in-app help section. Keep your message simple. Include your account email and state that you believe the flag was triggered incorrectly. Avoid arguing or blaming the system, because support mainly checks offer network logs, not explanations. Quick recap. Suspicious activity flags come from offer network tracking, VPNs, and multiple accounts are the biggest triggers, and clean usage over time is often required to clear the warning. The key is removing anything that makes your activity look inconsistent before trying more offers. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for reward apps, tracking issues, and account problems.